Hey guys, back at it again with another squishy makeover. Today we are gonna be transforming this piece of trash, this piece of bread into a BTS merchandise. First off, I start by painting the whole toast with white paint, so that it's a blank canvas for when I do my makeover. So I'm just doing what I would usually do, which is mixing the paint and the glue together. And that's me being impatient because I'm too lazy to mix up the paint in another bowl and only put it on the toast. And so I'm just slapping the glue on the toast first and then only add the paint. When I was ripping the decor out, I actually rip out the squishy more, which is why it leaves a very bad texture on it. And so I was just trying to use the paint to cover it up, but it doesn't really work. That's like me fixing my life. Sad. Tragic. So as I mentioned before, I rip out the decor on top, so like the thickness of the squishy is not balanced. So I just use the excess parts of the squishy and just glue them together. Cut it out and make it balanced. And again, I painted multiple times to make sure that it's all balanced and nice and smooth like a toast. I just use a lighter shade of brown to paint the entire toast. As for the back side of the toast, I painted with this muted pink color. I'm painting the crust with the light yellow ochre color. I'm not sure about the color naming, but it's very similar to the brick crust color that you see in real life. So just follow that. There is my a bunch of squishies, which I really should clean up, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm here to show the little toast that is still in the process of drying. Why is it so noisy? Ew, there's smoke coming out. So I'm putting it on this toothpick container because this will only touch the middle part. It will not touch the edge where it's not dry. This is the perfect container to dry my squishies. So that's that. And I use a pencil to draw out Tata mascot on it. I chose this very cute picture. hope you guys enjoyed watching me fixing this toast squishy. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before you leave. And if you would like to see more of this type of content, make sure you subscribe right below. Until next time, bye!